Hi, today we are going to implement constant value in an application level, and we can see how we can create a constant variable and how we can access in an application. So now for that we are going to abstract or app constant. We have two types of app values, abstract and constants. Now today we are going to create a constant variable and its value. Now I create a constant name is const1 and type should be string. You can choose integer, double, boolean, color as we wish. Now here asks for it is a list or not. Currently we are going to single app constant. Here when we create then this type of variable is showing here. He has asked for value. I select a flutter. I add flutter wall, and now our constant variable is created and its value is defined here as a constant. So now we are going to page and see how we can access and bind with the widget. Now here we have one text widget and I want to bind that constant value to this widget. Now I click on select text field, and here set the text. I here type constant. Now I type here constant, then project constant here visible. Project constant means we can create a variable as a constant. I just here select constant 1. Now constant 1 is bind with this text widget. Now I run this application and checking out. Now we can see here our application is started and we can see flutter word is display here. So this way we can bind the constant value to widget and create constant variable to the FlutterFlow. So